This product is very convenient for conference meetings because we use the AI camera. Okay, now let's open this camera and check its function. You know, when you guys use some speech in front of this camera, and sometimes have so many people in front of this camera will check that only one image that she or he is speaking, like this. And you guys can just move around and can go anywhere. This camera will check that only one image, like this. And you know, when you guys have a live conference meeting with the workmates and with the partners and with the college, you know, a long distance conference meeting without any interference. You know, you guys can use this camera in some applications like the room, the tea, and the meet. You know, you guys can invite your colleagues to join this meeting and with a single click like this. It's so convenient. And it's not the only option for participating. You know, you guys can use the PC tablet and the mobile phone to join this meeting.